Leticia Pfeiffer here with you from Styled and Organized. We're going to talk about folding your fitted sheets. I know, let the groans out. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way that will make it fun and fast. So quick sip from my teacup from my 40th birthday over in London with the girlfriends, mind the gap. And on to the work. Just got the sheets and towels out of the dryer so they are still warm. This is key number one. Find your fitted sheet, shake it out, and then you want to find these corners that wreak so much havoc with us. And you're going to slip your hand in there, use your middle finger to get it nice and pointed and straight, and your other middle finger to get it nice, pointed, and straight. And then, so it's a great day when you're having a bad day to fold your fitted sheets. So now I'm going to pray for forgiveness for using my middle finger, ha ha ha, and flip it over. And now I have two together. Then I'm going to come down, which this is the hard part, and find the other corners. Here's the first one. And the other one's going to give me a little bit of trouble, but I'm going to get it. I'm going to win. So now I have two other ones together. Using my middle finger again to get them nice and straight and combined. And then I'm going to, again, pray for forgiveness for using my middle finger. And then shake, shake, shake. Shaking's the key. Then you do need a surface to finish this. So just right here by your bed, your sofa, you're going to make sure that everything is laying out flat. And then we want to create 90-degree angles. That's where it's important to get those corners together. So you get those together, line it up, and now I have a nice 90-degree squared off, actually rectangular sheet. And I'm going to fold over, smooth it, and fold again. And of course you always put it into the linen closet with the nice bookend fold facing you so it's easy to grab and it looks really attractive. Hope that helps. See you next time. Bye.